Foxconn Technology Group, a Taiwanese multinational electronics contract manufacturing company, has been the primary assembler of Apple's iPhones for years. Foxconn's revenue slump is a significant concern for investors because it suggests a decrease in iPhone demand. This journal will explore the causes of Foxconn's revenue slump and its potential impacts on the company's future performance. Background: Foxconn has been a long-term supplier to Apple, manufacturing iPhones and other Apple products at its plants in China. The company's operations include the assembly of electronic products, the manufacture of electronic components, and the provision of after-sales services. In addition to Apple, Foxconn also produces products for other technology giants such as Amazon, Dell, and HP. Causes of revenue slump. The primary reason for Foxconn's revenue slump is the weakening demand for iPhones. Apple's latest models, including the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12, have not performed as well as expected, leading to a drop in sales. The COVID-19 pandemic has also impacted demand for electronics, with many consumers facing financial difficulties and preferring to postpone upgrades. Additionally, geopolitical tensions between China and the United States have led to a decline in trade and economic activity, which has affected demand for electronics products. Another contributing factor is the increased competition in the smartphone market. Chinese companies such as Huawei and Xiaomi have gained significant market share in recent years, offering lower-priced smartphones with comparable features to Apple's iPhone. This has put pressure on Apple to reduce prices and increase its marketing efforts, leading to lower profit margins. Impacts on Foxconn. Foxconn's revenue slump has had significant impacts on the company's operations. As a result of the weakened demand for iPhones, Foxconn has reduced its production and cut back on its workforce. In 2020, the company reported a net profit of $2.2 billion, down from $2.6 billion in 2019. Foxconn has also diversified its product portfolio, investing in new areas such as electric cars and semiconductor chips, to reduce its dependence on Apple. Despite the revenue slump, Foxconn remains one of the world's largest electronics manufacturers, with a diverse customer base and a strong presence in China. The company's strategic investments in new areas, such as electric cars and semiconductor chips, could lead to future growth opportunities. Additionally, Foxconn has been working to improve its supply chain and production capabilities, which could lead to increased efficiency and reduced costs. Conclusion. In conclusion, Foxconn's revenue slump can be attributed to several factors, including weakening demand for iPhones, increased competition, and geopolitical tensions. The impacts on the company have been significant, with reduced production and workforce cutbacks. However, Foxconn remains a key player in the electronics manufacturing industry, with a diverse customer base and strategic investments in new areas. It will be interesting to see how the company adapts to these challenges and whether it can continue to innovate and grow in the future.